If we talk about the India, we have a huge population and more than 2.5 crores people are differently able, and everyone gets musculoskeletal pain, either the muscles, the joint pain, back pain, so common nowadays, and maximum of them needs the doctor. So there is big platform.
Hi guys, and today we have a very special guest, Dr. Chandrakant, a senior resident doctor at AIIMS Jodhpur, and he pursued his MD in physical medicine and rehab from RIMS Manipur. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, it's my pleasure.
And today we will talk about the scope of physical medicine and rehab. So let's begin. Firstly, my question would be that what are the degrees which can be pursued in India as well as abroad post MBBS for PMR?
See, after getting a MD degree in PMR, one can go for the DM in pain medicine. Currently, there are two seats are available in AIIMS Rishikesh for PMR. Second, after pursuing MD, one can go for the postdoctoral fellowship course, PDF course. These are available in the like pain fellowship, neuro rehabilitation, and trauma rehabilitation, likewise. Third, one can go for the certificate courses. Actually, certificate courses can be done by even after pursuing the MBBS. The requirement is MBBS degree. So these three things can be done after pursuing the MD degree. And like before, it was the end branch EMR, but now it's not the end branch. There is MD, DM also.
Okay. And what is the scope of PMR in terms of the job profiles available in India as well as internationally?
See, if we talk about the job profile, currently there are only 1,000 doctors of PMR only, 1,000 pediatrists in India. And all the AIIMS and many state government colleges, they have the PMR department. So, and in the coming years, every medical college will have the PMR departments. So, if we talk about the job of senior resident, like there is minimal competition for the senior resident. But yes, there is competition for the getting the professor job, assistant professor and associate professor. But if we talk about, if we compare with other branches, then the competition is less. So there is lots of opportunity, job opportunity in India in coming years.
Okay. And what do you have to say about the approximate range of salary for the job profiles you mentioned here?
See, for all clinical branches, the salary is same. Like I am working as a senior resident, and my colleagues, those are working as a senior resident in other departments like radiology, general surgery, general medicine, ENT, ophthalmo. The salary is same. So salary depends on the post. It's not on the branch. But if we talk about the abroad, then abroad, PMR is demanding in Middle East countries. So there is lots of opportunity, and the salaries depends on your work, your skills, working hours, etc.
Okay. And what do you think about the market demand of an MD in PMR in India as well as internationally?
If we talk about the India, we have a huge population, and more than 2.5 crores people are differently able, and everybody in their life they get everyone gets musculoskeletal pain, either the muscles, the joint pain, back pain, so common nowadays, and maximum of them needs the doctor. So there is big platform, huge market for the PMR doctor. Only problem is we have to perform well. So it's depend on the performance. Market is big. Abroad also, as we know, the Indian doctors are always in demand. So there is PMR doctor also in demand, especially the Middle East countries. So market is big, no doubt.
Okay. And one last question which I would like to ask is that what advice would you like to give to your juniors who are thinking of pursuing a degree in this field of physical medicine and rehab?
Okay, those are thinking for taking PMR. I like to say that first know about the PMR, what actually it likes, and what's your own demand. What do you want to do in future? Where you like to grow? Like PMR is a branch where a dedication is needed, patience is needed, optimistic nature is needed. So those are having such qualities. They can go for the PMR.
Okay. Okay, so that was a wonderful session about the scope of physical medicine and rehab, and I hope that it was a very informative interview for all of you guys. Thank you, Dr. Chandrakant.
Thank you so much.